2025 Ford Ranger. This has had front and back dash cameras. In the rear of the vehicle, on the rear glass, we have the rear camera. If we move to the front of the vehicle, I'll show you the front camera. It's just up here. This is our GON2 range, which is 2K quality on the front, 1080 rear. Now on this it has Wi-Fi and obviously your app for you to be able to connect, motion sensors, the whole 9 yards. So the app will look very like this. Now if I press real-time video, it will show me a current image of what the front cameras and the back cameras are seeing. As you can see, there is the front, just out the front of the vehicle. And if I go to the bottom here, I'm going to press this one, which allows me to change to the back camera. Again, this is the back view that you would see. And settings, so we can change all of the features such as motion, impact, parking, so on and so forth, and how long we want it to record for. It's got security LEDs and multiple other features on there as your convenience. See, there's different ranges. If you'd like something like this, give us a call, 0208 554 5554.